Hello friends who like to find a better way. This is going to be probably a super quick little video here for you. A lot of you may know these tricks, but yet every time I teach Excel, I find a handful of people who do not know that. And this particular trick today is how you can quickly adjust your column sizes in an Excel spreadsheet. So I'm actually preparing to deliver an express training on how to create Excel forms and templates, which will be available on my e-learning site, abetterway2.co. And in this session, we are going to have to size our columns to fit some of these fields. So this is just the very foundation base setup of this form. So I know that I would like these fields to fit their width of the largest entry. So what I can quickly do is just click my button in the upper left-hand corner. It's kind of like your Select All button. It selects the entire spreadsheet. And now I can go anywhere and hover between a column border. So I'm going to hover between B and C here. It doesn't matter which column border you choose. When I get that double-sided arrow, I'm going to double click, and it is going to automatically size each column to fit the largest entry. So in this case, I had some pretty large entries down here. Obviously, this is not what I want for column A. Column B, destination, C, mileage, D, reason for travel, etc. So that's how you can size all the columns on a spreadsheet to fit the widest entry. And then, of course, you can also tweak them individually. I'm going to drag and say, nope, column A just needs to be about this size. It doesn't need to be any bigger. But maybe I would like for columns E through H and I to all be about the same width. So what I've done is I've selected my columns, hovering over the column letter. When I get that black downward pointing arrow, clicking and dragging, so that I select the columns that I want to be the same size. And now again, within this selection, if I hover my mouse over any of those borders, I'm going to get the double-sided arrow. And when I click and drag, it's going to adjust that column label. I'm guessing what I want here. It's going to adjust, not the column label, I'm sorry. It's going to adjust that entire column to equal widths. So now E, F, G, H, and I are all consistent widths. Obviously, I'm losing some of my words here, so I'm going to just quickly choose those values and choose wrap text. And then again, I see it's not quite going to get it, so let me just make it just a hair bigger, make each one of those a hair bigger. There, that should be good. And so I might choose my destination to be a little bit longer, reason for travel, maybe just a hair longer. But that's how I can adjust my column widths in some easy ways without having to stop and adjust every single column individually. So I hope that helps. If it does, I would love for you to make a comment or like this video. Of course, as always, if you want more aha tips delivered directly to your inbox, please subscribe to my newsletter and or subscribe to this YouTube channel. So until next time, enjoy today.